And then what are your not so artists?
I talking about blind people, and I thought of that blind people might struggle in the classroom to sit directly into the chair. So I
came up with an idea for people with arthritis.
Granddad had very bad arthritis in his hand and found it hard to open milk cartons at home, so I decided to make a milk carton opener. I found it hard to hold keys because they're very thin, so I decided to make a bigger key holder so he could hold it.
So I came up with these bars, which you can clip onto the side of the chair.
For the milk bottle opener, I measured the diameter. It was 4 centimeters wide, and then I decided to make the outside 6 centimeters wide so it will not break. Then I put screws in it to fit his fingers.
Yeah.
For the key holder, the hardest part was making it big enough for an adult's hand and getting the length of the key right.
This is one of the ones that we used to test, and the key wouldn't come through fully and it was too big.
So you just clip the clips onto the back of the chair, and then the blind person can hold on to them to sit down.
Can't even open the joke to get milk for myself. Oh, try this thing here. Oh, that's more like it. That's more like it. Only that now wouldn't really get myself that's me. My arthritis are very bad.
The plastic version was a bit flimsy, so I think a metal version would be more suitable.
And the hardest part that I found was making the clip the right size. And this one's one that finally works.
The hardest part was to find the diameter of the measurements of the bottle opener, and to make sure that the little grooves would fit an adult's finger when they're opening the bottle cap.
The hardest part of the key holder was to find the width to make sure it fits the size of an adult's palm, and it was 10 centimeters or 100 millimeters. And then the top piece, which we had to try fit the key grip into.
My favourite part was the maths and art that it combined.